Tension at Onitsha Head Bridge. Anambra State police officers reportedly shot a driver's tyre after he refused to pay a bribe.
In protest, other drivers blocked the road, demanding justice and a replacement tyre. Their bold stand paid if the police eventually bought a new tyre for the driver and traffic flow was restored. Now watch how it all happened.
They must pay for this tire. Say people gonna motor here. I'm a non hold up. I'm a going on there. I'm gonna call happening life in a target Onitsha. I am the police in there because of a gun. I'm a here drivers in the face news. I'm a here drivers in the face news. They must pay for this tire. I'm going to drive and spend the news. I'm also driving at here. Kekate news. This is a Salaka. You name it unwilling Salaka. What a nonsense. Driver quickly here. I need no ever. They must pay for this thing. Can put to a stop for this. Can be a beer. Only Libya. Upwa. They will put an end to this nonsense. I must miss in a man na license. After news, they will try to suffer you. They will try to wicked you. What do you